Thanks for helping me get my pirate radio station going, Tails.
Sticks and technology sitting in a tree. I-N-T-E-R-F-A-C-I-N-G. Sonic, it's urgent! Get over here! What took you so long? Some of my stuff's gone missing.
Did you check under there?
Under where?
Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and go to your happy place. Let's practice that right now.
Lane! It's me, Tails! Remember all the good times we've had together?
What?
There's only one person evil enough to do this. Eggman! Oh, underwear. I get it.
Fine. If we can't decide who's in charge, we'll split up. Who wants to be on Team Amy?
Good thinking, Amy. I'll be in charge.
You? I'm in charge.
I don't trust anyone in charge.
I know. Why don't we all be in charge?
No!
Only a few more adjustments and the Auto Adjuster 3000 will be complete. If only there were a machine to do this for me. Huh? Where's my shifting spanner? My babies!
Welcome to my world. My baby!
Wow, UT. My friends normally love my inventions. I can't believe you had such a lousy debut.
I blame myself.
No, if it's anyone's fault, it's mine. After all, I'm the one who... Oh, wait. You were just saying my thoughts, huh?
I feel like such a dummy.
Things will go better tomorrow, I promise. Good night, UT. Hey, Sonic, you there? I need a little help.
Is it urgent, Tails? I'm sort of in the middle of something.
Yeah?
Okay, I'm on my way, buddy.
Okay, just checking.
Dude, what happened up there? You never miss a cue.
Hey, Tails.
Huh? What? Oh, yeah, I was gonna say hi, but then, see you later.
Oh, I see what's going on here.
We should be fine, as long as there aren't any booby traps.
Smooth move, Fox Boy.
Amy leads Team Amy. Knuckles leads Team Knuckles.
Wait, there's a Team Knuckles now?
Can I be on both teams?
No!
I like a guy who's handy.
That is some interesting cocoa.
Want to guess my secret ingredient?
If he says love, I'm out of here.
Is it nutmeg?
Close! It's actually a tablespoon of garlic powder.
That explains the texture. Oh, it just restructures the humidity molecules in the air to synthesize a hypermagnetic force field. I can't believe it.
What? What is it?
Comedy Chimp's partner was a ghost.
Quick, let's get to my shack.
There's no such thing as a time...
Last night you dreamed you were being chased by a giant sock puppet.
About this job. What are the hours like?
Well, it's 7 days a week, but you get your own plane.
You're waterlogged! I can't lift you!
Don't worry about me! Get out of here!
That's not how sidekicks do!